Sewa Bharati, a small step towards helping the needy and poor, has become a national massive movement. It has been successful in creating awareness among the people and funded numerous activities like medical camps, mobile medical hospitals, health centers, Bala Samskar Kendras and single teacher schools with the help of Seva International and IDRF. IDRF, that is India Development and Relief Fund, and Seva International have undertaken many rehabilitation works of natural calamities like tsunami, earthquake and floods. These two organizations have donated 2 medical vans to Sewa Bharati to improve the Seva activities in the tsunami and flood affected areas.
తుఫాన్ ఇలా వస్తుంటే 15 రోజుల వరకు మాకు ఫిషింగ్ జరగలేదండి. జరగకపోతే అప్పుడు స్టేట్ యూనియన్ వాళ్ళు తరపున మా 50 మంది ఉన్నామండి. ఆ 50 మందికి మా ప్రెసిడెంట్ తోటి వెళ్ళి చెప్పుకున్నాం. మేము చెప్తే మనిషికి 150 రూపాయలు చెప్పని ఆయన ఒప్పించాడండి.
In the deep forest of Andhra Pradesh, many tribals have been deprived of basic necessities of life. This is Bhadrachalam, beside the river Godavari. All the agency areas here have been washed away in the recent floods. Sewa Bharati moved forward and adopted these villages. Regular medical camps are conducted to keep a check on the well-being of both the children and the old age people. Also, talks on healthy living and clean environment are given to help them lead disease-free lives. In this medical camp, free medicines were distributed worth 1 lakh rupees that was donated by Chinmaya Mission. Every month, general medical camps are conducted by Sewa Bharati in many tribal villages, slum areas of the cities and also in the schools. The government schools are 10 kilometers far away from the village. For this, Sewa Bharati has built numerous single teacher schools in the interiors of the forest and coastal areas. Apart from teaching basic Telugu, they are taught bhajans, rhymes and meditations. The aim is not only to educate but also to develop their body, mind and soul. An all-round development consisting of physical, medical and spiritual needs is done here. Free hostel facilities have also been provided for those who agree to live far away from their families and want to pursue further studies. Sewa Bharati had also organized Doctors Meet 2005 on 2nd October in Vijayawada with the aid of its affiliated organization named Arogya Bharati. All the doctors who jointly worked with Sewa Bharati participated in this Arogya Bharati meet. Nearly 100 doctors attended it. They discussed and emphasized the aim of Arogya Bharati, which is healthy nation, healthy village, healthy family and healthy citizen. Methods as to how to achieve the aim of Arogya Bharati were discussed with the activities of Sewa. Dr. K. Pattabhi Ramaya, the president of Arogya Bharati,
who are involved with medical education, who are involved with managing big hospitals in the state, like Dr. Surya Prakash Rao, who was the ex-DMP and also director of the Sewa Bharati Institute of Medical Sciences, Dr. Ishwar, who is at the Helper Professor at Siddhartha Medical College, and many other people who are involved in the medical college and medical education.
And Dr. Ishwar, the principal of Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada.
Doctors and their associates in delivering the great objectives and goals of Arogya Bharati in terms of disseminating knowledge and information to the suffering public, in terms of eradicating as well as containing these health directives as well as health related problems.
Spoke on the activities of Sewa Bharati. The doctors read their reports made on the medical camps conducted in the districts. In the dark lives of these helpless people, Sewa Bharati is one of the rays of hope and strength for them. Let us come together and help make better lives.